Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss with you like a database instance backup. Why we require to take backup? How many types of backup methods are available? And what we learn and what we will do with backup database. These all the questions will be answered you with this session. And at the beginning, what is backup? Once we are taking some work and some Excel spreadsheet or MS4 document we are doing, some saving data particularly and making that sheet to take a copy of a file and storing somewhere. If it is the secure file, we want to make it as a protection and protect the file. We'll make it as in some other folder to save for it. When we require to use, we'll try to use it. Or else if our original file, it may get some disturb or corrupted or loss or theft. Such time, we'll try to get the backup of the file and we'll use it. In general terms, what we are processed that particular spreadsheet file or any other images or whatever it, the data which we are digitally dealing with the computer system. In such way, the taking of the database to be useful for more and more in later times. The safe and we are securing the data for our future enhancement. Unfortunately, something is happened for our computer system or our server. We may lost a bunch of data and we may lose our work till now what we have done so far. So on every day in computer systems, the work, it may be developers level or it may be database administration level, data, all will taken care about the data and the programs as in a safe place to make it as a backup and pushing and placing some either two or three places. Okay. And the purpose we need to take to back up our data for the future enhancement to avoid loss of the business levels and the functionality of the work of the application to don't to be stopped. And how many types of backup methods are available? In basic, we have a facility to take in a backup through our local system. That is the one thing. The second one is the production servers will have a facility to take a tape backup. The tape drive is there where we can plan for a schedule from so and so time to so and so and every day such a particular time to take an issue of the backup script. It will like a schedule. It will automatically run the schedule from the through server. The tape drive will taken care about the data as in a backup to write on the tape drive. That is the second thing. And third one, the server, which is the real-time server, which is the writing a database in that particular hard disk. In similarly, the hard disk may replicate some other zone, like it may be in India, some other place like maybe USA or UK or Australia or Canada, wherever the branches are available and the connectivity which is available for that international MNC, like a multinational companies, they'll make it as a replication in some other country. It may happen like what I can say that the generalization of like we simply the word it is coming from like natural disasters. We can say that if it is happens, we won't lose the data. Some other place the data will be available. Just simply taking as a backup and restoring within the minutes when we back within the minutes we can restore the data and we'll jump start to run the program as beginner as early without losing the data till the last write. Such a beautification and the facilities are available in database technologies and these all the facilities are which which is a Microsoft SQL Server, is also supports to for this functionality. And what we will do with the backup database? Yes, once we taken care about the database backup, if something is happened and we unfortunately maybe fire accident, and it may be the disaster happen, or it may be connectivity loss to we are losing the data, or something theft has happened, or unexpectedly that we may lose the data in our computer system or server, or maybe deleted or something, or it may be like a hacker's issue, or it may be the security issue. We are unable to access in the database, or it may be file is corrupted. These all are possibilities, not degrading and telling you the like a real-time infrastructure may face such type of activities where we have followed this all the production activities to make it as a data secure in different terms. And we'll see now what we are coming to here, like a basic database using SQL Server, how we are going to take as a backup, and how we are going to be making it as a safe file with a complete full backup, how we are going to take with the using of a single database instance. This is all will applicable for any database instance of MS SQL Management Studio will help us very beautification. Let's see here the databases. Once you see here, this is the window is appear you to. Once you logged in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, you will get this window. Now you see this databases, expand here, and you will get the database name of the database here. Right click on the database, task. Here you will observe backup. Click on backup. Once you click the backup, the window backup from database and the name of the instance of ecom. My database name is ecom. Now see here the many features and facilities and options. Select a page like a general. This is the database name. It is default. It is a I have a click here to take in a database. No, it is a default. It will select, and a backup type you have to choose full. Differential transaction log is also there, whereas I am showing you a full database only. Okay, now see backup component. It's a database or file groups. I'm going to take as a backup is a component of database. So here what you will do is backup to where it is disk or URL. URL means somewhere else, the remote location I am able to take in a backup. Whereas in this computer system, I'm taking as a local, so it is taken like a disk I have chosen and add the path of that particular disk where you want to save the database backup. Okay, just click add. Now file name you have to choose like by pressing the menu item, and I'm going to save this backup on my E drive. Expand this backup folder. Now I can give it a name of ecom .bak. You have to give the file extension. The database file MS SQL will support .bak with the extension of file name, that is the data backup database backup file. With the folder I have selected here backup, and the file name is ecom.bak. Just click OK. The path is defined here. Click OK. Now we are ready here. Now go to the next page of media options. This is the existing media, all the things, append the existing media backup if it is there. And backup options you see here, full database backup it is taking. Backup set will expire. After means 0 second, the 0 days. The database backup, when I issue a command of OK, it should be automatically initiated now itself. Okay. Also, you can schedule your database backup whenever you want to take. On date, you can specify and you can take it as per your schedule. Okay. Now let's click OK. See, it's a little bit data and a small group of tables only. So it is completed. The backup of database ecom completed successfully. All right, this is the way you can take a very easy database backups in your computer system. Now let's see how the file is showing on my computer system where my path of backup. This is the backup file, and now I have taken a backup of ecom.back. This is the time you see here. Okay, that is the very easy and simplest way to take the database backup. I hope you understand better way how to take a database backup from using SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, to get an .bak file successfully. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.